not boast, it is not proud, it is not rude, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no records of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, and always perseveres. Good afternoon to everyone. We gather here to witness the matrimony of two people who will bring in love, faith, and understanding. Definitely a match made in heaven. Let us now welcome the officiating minister, Reverend Jesse Abalos. The best man, Mr. Nemuel L. Jacinto. Let us now welcome the handsome group, Mr. Leo Guillermo, together with his parents, Mr. Irinio G. Guillermo and Mrs. Juliana G. Guillermo.